Good day, Derek, that ADU guy here. We're gonna do a quick paint grade closet pack. So I've got all of my lines made on the wall for the bulkhead and the shelves. I've also went ahead and prepped all the lines with a small pencil mark where the backing is. So I'm going to nail all the cleating up, install the bulkhead and a couple of shelves. This is probably about a 3 or 4 minute process because I've pre-cut everything and done all the prep work. First, I'm going to put the cleats up. That's the bulkhead at the top. And then we have our last shelf here. And something that's worth pointing out is I've ripped on the table saw a 1/2 inch off the bulkhead, and that way the top shelf leaves a nice reveal, and then I ripped 3/4 inch off of this shelf so there's a nice reveal here. And then I'll go ahead and find my square angle. And that's a simple closet pack there. Everything will get caulked in, all the holes will get filled, and then when I'm priming and painting all the walls, this will get shot with the wall color. So it's a nice, simple, affordable, built-in paint grade closet pack. Thanks for joining me on this step of this affordable ADU build. Hope everybody's having a good day.